Hi, Claudia here. Today I'm gonna do a flip through to a journal that I did with the Nutcracker Dreams. This is a gift, so I have to do it out of camera because I need to finish to give it to my friend. I don't know if you can see, but I use liquid glass to make it more, I don't know how to call, but more visible or give some character. I put a couple of metal corner here, and the title of the journal is "It is the most wonderful time of the year." And so I put lace here. This is another tag, and behind the tag is the beautiful girl. So let me open. So here we have a pocket, and I just put a piece of paper so she can journal. I made this little hidden paper clip. This is one of the freebies from KPA. I made a little booklet so she can write whatever she wants to write or remember anything special. I love this guy. Here, this one is part of the freebies. She's so cute. I made a flip through. There is another tag here. This is the center. Sorry. She's gorgeous. I love that Christmas tree. Here is one more of the freebies. You can find it on the KPI Facebook page. She has a lot of freebies there. And here is another pocket with more paper to write. So I told you this kit is supposed to be digital paper. It's not meant to be a journal. As you can see, you can make a journal and it comes out very, very beautiful. So you have here the journal, and this is the three-fold tag that I made with the same paper. So I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like. Okay? Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.